Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting the prerequisites in place. Make sure your device supports fingerprint enrollment and is updated because software improves capture and matching. Once done, clean the sensor and your finger. Oil or dirt creates false rejects. Now open Settings, go to Security or Biometrics, and tap Add Fingerprint. You're not just pressing a button, you're initiating multiple controlled scans, so the system can learn variable contact angles and pressure. So move to the first touches when prompted. You continue by performing the detailed capture routine. The how matters as much as the action. Follow prompts and place different parts of the finger, center, tip, and sides, so the algorithm receives multiple impressions. Make small rotations and vary pressure. Light and firm touches teach the sensor to match in real-world conditions. Once the device requests rolling or tilting, comply deliberately and slowly. Make sure to complete every prompted scan. Incomplete datasets reduce accuracy and increase false rejections later. You finish by verifying and reinforcing the enrollment. Lock the device and unlock using the new fingerprint to confirm success. If recognition is inconsistent, enroll a secondary finger or a backup template immediately so access stays reliable. Once done, label the fingerprint in Settings for clarity. If you encounter repeated failures, make sure the sensor and finger are clean, then delete and re-enroll the template. If problems persist, contact device support because hardware or firmware issues can impair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.